gagawin?
Kita ka lang.
Hindi nakakapagod itong hapon na tao lang. Bumalik. Pitin up.
But I need your full support, mga students. Kaya hindi mo rin papayagan ko sa case. I need your full support for the okay? Okay, any other concerns? Aside from CUB? Did you have a question? Wala? Okay, sige. We're out of time. It's already 5 minutes before 5 sa akin. If you have concerns, please feel free to visit the office, ha? You have my numbers. I was informed by the motion that you gave out my number, so please text me. I have your number, by the way. Don't you have my own number? Kindly delete that. Wala na yung number there. So, this is my new number. I have my line change. Saan pa rin naman siya? So, kindly use the new number. If you need my assistance for my assistance, no? You're just at the office. If I'm not available, please I is available downstairs tonight. Okay? Naintindihan? Any concerns, please let us know so we can act on whatever concerns you have. Sige, kung wala ng concerns, we can discuss.
Kaway ka, baby.
Submit the papers, please do so before that. You can just leave I forgot to mention pala. Ano naman, gusto nyo naman mag-follow natin yung dito?
Si Ate Giselle po may hawak naman po ito.
Ayan. Saan kayo nagpagawa nyo?
Kay Kuya Shaw po. Ito po kay Kuya. Sabi si Pesos po yan.
Magkano? 70 pesos?
Opo, ito po yung design. Makaka-discount naman sa usapan nyo naman. 70 lahat. Yan, buong. Yan na asin ito na.
Yuri, kaway ka naman. Judian.
Ang gawin nyo na lang ganito. Iwan nyo doon. Tapos sabihin nyo kung ilang copies. Sabihin nyo, bukas nyo kukuhanin.
Natakot mo pa, boy. Lalo pang
Lalo pa kasi pinapayak. Paano umiyak na yung bata, pinapayak.
pasaway. Ayan o. Binuhat pa. Sabihin mo hindi ako kasabwat. Sabihin mo lang, hindi ako kasabwat.
Hindi ako kasabwat.
Sabihin mo, hindi ka kasabwat. Hindi, sige na. Kasi documentary kasi ito eh.
Hindi po ako kasabwat.
Siya pa, hindi ka narinig eh.
Hindi ako kasabwat. Ulit-ulit?